Today I'm very excited to introduce you all to one of the newest additions in the Milwaukee Impact Wrench lineup, the all-new end-user focused, feature-packed M18 Fuel high-torque impact wrench 1-inch D-handle extended anvil with one key. At Milwaukee, we pride ourselves on getting out there and listening and responding to our end users' needs. We understand you want more productivity on the job site, and we improve this with our cordless solution. This saves valuable time by eliminating your daily setup process, by not wasting time rolling out the hoses and having to untangle them when packing up at the end of the shift. Another point we received from you was that you wanted the power of a pneumatic tool to complete your common day-to-day applications. In response, we've managed to pack this tool with 2,711 Newton meters of nut-busting torque, so even the most rusted, stubborn old bolts won't stand a chance. And while we're on this subject, this impact wrench features a peak torque of 2,576 Newton meters, allowing our end users to fasten up to M42 bolts. Now it's time to have a look at some of the other standout features of the 1-inch D-handle extended anvil. Firstly, the working area is illuminated by our tri-LED lighting, giving you a brighter working environment. Then we have improved the working comfort and ergonomics with the 360-degree side handle, allowing you to position this at any angle. For full control of the tool, we have a well-placed forward, reverse, and locking switch, so these functions can be enabled without having to release your hands from the grips of the handles. As an added benefit, our impact wrench is kitted with one key, giving you the complete digital tool management software package with outstanding features of tool tracking, managing, and customization. On top of this, we have a lug nut mode, which delivers a benefit that no other pneumatic impact wrench can provide. Once enabled, it automatically shuts the tool off within the targeted torque range of 475 to 610 Newton meters. This avoids the chance of any stripped threads and potential truck wheel-offs on the road by preventing overstretched wheel nuts. Users can then follow up with a calibrated wrench to hit their desired torque. Due to having all this extra power, we have fitted this tool with a battery isolator. What this does is changes the frequency of the vibrations that are produced by the tool to reduce any damages caused to the battery and tool connection housing. It is designed to allow battery movement to maximize battery and tool life. We will be supplying this 1-inch D-handle extended anvil with a high output 12 ampere-hour battery pack, giving you the ability to install and remove up to 120 commercial wheel nuts. That's the equivalent of 12 semi-truck wheel changes completed on just one fully charged battery. And with the 150mm extended anvil, you can easily get into those deep wheel hubs. This really is the go-to tool for road service workers and any technician in the workshop. Milwaukee's continued dedication to class-leading innovation has once again produced a powerful, feature-packed tool that can replace the current corded or pneumatic options available today. The all-new M18 Fuel high-torque impact wrench 1-inch D-handle with 150mm extended anvil and one key does this and more. Thank you for listening.